The Nilight NI-WA 06 LED light bar wiring harness kit is a well-engineered solution for anyone looking to install off-road lighting with ease and efficiency. This kit features two leads, designed to work seamlessly with a range of 12V off-road lights, making it suitable for a variety of applications, from trucks to boats and everything in between. One of the standout features of this wiring harness is its durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor environments. The included power relay and blade fuse contribute to its reliability, ensuring that your lighting setup operates safely without risking overloading the circuit. The harness conducts power effectively, allowing for bright and consistent illumination. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions provided along with the kit. The well-labeled connectors make the process smoother, even for those who may not have extensive experience with wiring.